Hello, my name is Paul and welcome to 14 Chessell Drive in Duncraig. So, what have we got inside? 4 really good sized bedrooms, all with built-ins, while the ensuite has been beautifully renovated. The formal living and dining areas flow through to the modern kitchen, complete with Miele appliances and granite bench tops. For all those families with little kids that love to live outside, this home has grass, green grass. The pool area has a tropical feel with lush gardens, fountains, gazebos, loads of undercover entertaining space. A barbecue and sink are out here as well, and there's one more surprise. The property also has a day room separate from the main dwelling, with another toilet and shower, and enough room for a small bed or couch and TV so that kids can spend all summer outside. Yes, I know I'm the selling agent and I can afford to be biased, but really, this is a wonderful home. This home is a little ripper and sure to attract a high level of interest.